I'm Pierre DiGiorgio with Spartan Robotics. We're here at Teo Fabrications today, one of our recent customers who purchased one of our Spartan robotic welding cells. Teo Fabrication was referred to us by a friend of theirs in the industry. They already had a robotic welding cell that they were currently using, and they wanted to explore a different option, something more premium brand with better components and something that would be more suited towards their needs. The 7th axis from Kassow Robots offers you the ability to do more in the same amount of space. It has the dexterity more of the human arm, where the elbow, instead of being stuck straight up in the air, we can rotate that down like the human elbow. When we put the system together, we wanted to pair 2 premium products together, so that meant the 7-axis robot from Kassow, as well as the Fronius power source. We wanted to make sure that the user would have the best in class in both areas.
My name is Matt Hearn. I'm from Teo Fabrications. We're a production fab shop and a race car manufacturer. Originally, we rented different brand robot, and there were just some things about it and about the company and the support that we weren't really crazy about. Also, looking into the 7th axis, and Spartan being one of the only companies that offers the 7th axis. Another thing that we liked about it was the Fronius welder. Top of the line welder, you're not going to find a better system to buy. So with the implementation of Spartan Robotic Welder, we've been able to pretty much double our productivity per man in our shop. We do a lot of specific parts that are pretty much done at double the speed compared to a person who gets tired and needs to take breaks or needs to just pick their head up so that they can see for a minute. The whole team at Spartan's been great. If we need something, if we're having an issue, we call him, he picks up the phone immediately. To get me out of it and let me keep doing my busy day-to-day stuff has been fantastic. Productivity is probably 3 times from what we had. We have 1 person running a robot now compared to 3 guys sitting at a table, and the downtime in between. It allows the operator to have that 3 minutes of downtime in between each run compared to no downtime.
Patrick Graham. I've been here for about 5 months. I've had no experience in fabrication, welding, or anything that we do here really. When I started working on it, we already had the program set up. So to learn to just run the robot probably took me about 20 minutes. It's a very easy thing to be able to hop on and learn how to use and teach someone else how to use. There is a few things you have to learn, but to make this new program from start to finish, it probably took me only about 3 hours to do, which is very quick when you're talking about programming a robot to learn how to weld. It's a very user-friendly system. It's really cool. I have tons of videos on my phone, and whenever I tell someone that I'm working on a robot welder, they're always asking questions about it, and they love getting to see all the different things that we do here with it. So that's a really good plus.
Ultimately, the goal of Spartan Robotics is to improve the quality of your product, increase your productivity, and the consistency in what you can produce a quality product for your customer.